In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to columns in Excel multiple ways. Start by opening Excel on your computer, then open the workbook you already have prepared. Use the same procedure on your own file as we go, so the source data is visible in the worksheet before you begin. First, use the Text to Columns wizard. Click the A column header to select the entire first full name column. Go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, click Text to Columns. The Convert Text to Columns wizard opens. Leave delimited selected because the names are separated by a character, in this case a space. Click Next. In the Delimiters list, uncheck Tab, then check Space. Look at the preview area at the bottom of the wizard. Each full name should now be split into two separate columns in the preview. Click Next. Leave the column data format set to General, then click Finish. If Excel asks whether you want to replace the contents of the destination cells, click OK. Column A now contains the first names, and column B contains the last names. Next, use Flash Fill. Click cell D1 and type first as the header for the first name output, then press Tab. Now you are in cell E1. Type last as the header for the last name output, then press Enter. Click cell D2, which is next to the first full name in column C. Type John as the example first name. From row 2, then press Enter. Excel now has a pattern to follow for the first name extraction. With cell D3 selected, press Ctrl+E. Flash fills the remaining first names down column D automatically. Now click cell E2. Type Smith as the example last name from row 2, then press Enter. With cell E3 selected, press Ctrl+E again. Flash fills the remaining last names down column E, using the example pattern you provided. Now use the text split formula method. Click cell G2, the blank cell immediately to the right of the first full name in column F. Type the text split formula shown on the screen, adjusting the reference cell so it matches the full name cell in your own file. This formula splits the text wherever it finds the separator specified in the formula. After the formula is entered, press Enter. The result spills into two cells, placing John in G2 and Smith in H2. Click cell G2 again. You should see the blue spill outline around the dynamic array result, which shows that Excel is returning more than one value from a single formula. Move your pointer over the small square at the bottom right corner of cell G2. This is the fill handle. When your pointer is positioned on it, double-click the fill handle to autofill the formula down to row 7. Columns G and H now contain the first and last names for each row. To show that this formula result stays live, click cell F3. Replace the existing name with Janet Doe, then press Enter. G3 updates automatically to Janet because the text split formula is still connected to the source value in column F. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.